we need to place several poles exactly 100 feet apart. And we're going to use ArcGIS Pro tools to make this easier and more accurate. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the dynamic constraints. So that's this button at the bottom here. So you can tell that it's off because it's not highlighted in blue. So I'm going to click on that. So that turns that on. And then next I'm going to go into the create button. So click on that and we're going to select our pole. And so notice here, and normally the very first option here is what's selected, but we're going to click on the one right next to it that says point at end of line. And the description there says create a point feature using a temporary line as an offset. So I'm going to click on that. And what you'll see is instead of when I click here, normally you would place the pole, right? With that option selected, it's actually going to start a line. Now this line is going to go away as soon as I complete the placement of the pole, but it helps you to be able to identify exactly how far it is away from the other pole that we're going to place this. So we want to do this 100 feet, and I got to 100.09 feet. That's going to be close enough, so I'm going to click. And if you'll see that starts a new line immediately after that, but what I'm going to do here is click on the green checkbox there to finish it. And I could have also done a double click. In fact, I'll do that next time. So usually I do double clicks to complete it, but it's not always easy to communicate on a video. So anyway, so that placed the first one. I'm going to go back and I'm going to start again at the center of this pole, click, and now this time, last time I was off a little bit, as far as the footage. I'm going to right click now and say distance or select distance, and then I'm going to type in 100 because I want to get exactly 100 feet, press enter. So now this line is constrained at exactly 100 feet. So I can place it, exactly where I want to now, and this time I'm going to double click, and that completes the line. So you can keep on, the pole. You can keep on continuing down the line there with poles, and you can set them exactly 100 feet apart, and it's a really quick and accurate way of being able to do this type of sketching with poles or other features.